Teacup unveiling 11 herbal teas. Why you need to know. Ever wondered how a simple cup of tea can be a powerhouse of health benefits? Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of herbal teas that not only tantalize your taste buds but also offer incredible health benefits. Before we jump into it, if you're ready to explore the magic of 11 herbal teas, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on nutrition and well-being. Before we start, a friendly reminder: this video is for educational purposes only. While these teas offer incredible benefits, always consult with a health professional for personalized advice. 1. Hibiscus Tea. Picture this: a burst of cranberry-like flavor, a vibrant pink or red brew. Welcome to the world of hibiscus tea, a potential immune booster with its high vitamin C content and small amounts of potassium, calcium, magnesium, and other trace minerals. Hibiscus tea offers antiviral and cardiovascular benefits, mainly due to the antioxidant anthocyanins. This herbal tea has been shown to be effective against some strains of bird flu. A study showed hibiscus tea may help lower blood pressure. A meta-analysis of studies on the topic echo these benefits. Another interesting cardiovascular benefit of this herbal tea is its ability to help decrease LDL, bad cholesterol levels. A research review showed that consuming hibiscus tea or extract decreases bad LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Studies even suggest its effectiveness against the common cold. Let's dive into the research as we sip this ruby red elixir. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, let's stir up some warmth with the sensational ginger tea. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea, the unsung hero for your tummy. Best known as a trusted nausea remedy, ginger tea has a spicy and full-bodied flavor. It contains the antioxidant gingerol, which is the main bioactive disease-fighting compound found in ancient ginger root. Ginger also contains trace amounts of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B3 and B6, iron, potassium, and vitamin C. Beyond its spicy warmth, studies reveal its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural remedy for cramps and nausea. And it's all natural, vegan-friendly, and certified kosher. Now, let's uncover the science behind this soothing cup. According to PubMed, ginger, Zingiber officinale Rosc, belongs to the family Zingiberaceae. The health-promoting perspective of ginger is attributed to its rich phytochemistry. This study aimed to review the current evidence on ginger effects as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidative. Impressive, right? Now, off to the majestic Cederberg region for our next gem. 3. Rooibos Tea. Rooibos Tea, pronounced Rooibos, a true South African delight. Red Rooibos with floral notes and tartness, and green Rooibos with a light, crisp finish. Studies suggest these teas are rich in antioxidants, promoting overall health. Let's explore the Cederberg region and the studies behind Rooibos Tea. According to MedicineNet, Rooibos Tea is rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols and asparagine, which are highly beneficial to the body. Rooibos Tea is the only known natural source of the antioxidant asparagine. Incredible! Now, let's cool down with the refreshing mist of peppermint tea. 4. Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea, the cool breeze in a cup. Beyond its refreshing taste, studies hint at its natural remedy status for digestive issues. Sip away for a soothing experience. Now, let's uncover the scientific background of this minty marvel. According to PubMed, peppermint, Mentha piperita L., is one of the most widely consumed single-ingredient herbal teas, or tisanes. Peppermint tea, brewed from the plant leaves, and the essential oil of peppermint are used in traditional medicines. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Now, let's infuse some citrusy delight with lemon balm tea. 5. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea, a citrusy escape made from the melissa plant. Studies suggest it's not just about flavor, it may have calming properties. Add honey or agave syrup for a delightful twist. Fascinating revelations. Now, let's unwind with the bedtime favorite, chamomile tea. 6. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, the calm before bedtime. With a mildly floral taste and soothing properties, studies endorse it as a bedtime ritual. But there's more to discover. Let's dive into the studies behind the calming effects of chamomile tea. Intriguing, right? Now, let's venture into the sweet, tangy world of Licorice Root Tea. 7. Licorice Root Tea. Licorice Root Tea. Sweet, tangy, and tart. Studies indicate it's more than just flavorful. It may reduce phlegm, open airways, and soothe sore throats. Let's explore the studies backing the medicinal properties of licorice root tea. Quite remarkable. Now, let's elevate our senses with the aromatic rosemary tea. 8. Rosemary Tea. Rosemary tea, not just a kitchen herb but a potential brain booster. Studies suggest that rosemary aroma may enhance cognitive performance. Let's unravel the studies behind the brain-boosting benefits of rosemary tea. Impressive revelations. Now, let's continue our journey through the calming Passionflower Tea. 9. Passionflower Tea. Passionflower Tea, a sip of serenity in a cup. Known for its calming effects, studies suggest it can be your ally in finding moments of tranquility amidst the chaos. Now, let's delve into the research behind the calming properties of Passionflower Tea. 11. Chamomile. Chamomile tea is more than just a calming beverage to consume before bedtime. Chamomile is an herb taken from the flowers of the Asteraceae plant family. People around the world have been using it as natural remedy for several health conditions since ancient times. Chamomile contains a variety of bioactive phytochemicals, notably flavonoids, which function as antioxidants. It also contains small amounts of minerals and vitamins, such as potassium, calcium, carotene, and folate, among other nutrients. Research studies suggest several possible chamomile benefits, including a lower risk of death from heart disease, immune system support, and possible protection against some cancers. According to a research review, chamomile tea may also help women who suffer from premenstrual syndrome. Researchers tout the tea's anti-inflammatory and anti-anxiety effects. Interestingly, studies show chamomile might even slow age-related bone loss. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, let's explore the golden treasure of turmeric tea. 10. Turmeric Tea. Turmeric tea, a golden elixir in the herbal kingdom. With its warm, earthy notes and anti-inflammatory properties, studies suggest it's more than just a spice. It could be a boost for your well-being. Let's uncover the studies behind the golden magic of turmeric tea. According to Hopkins Medicine, some research results show that people who have osteoarthritis reported less joint pain when eating turmeric in recipes, Brown says. Turmeric's effect on mood disorders, depression, and dementia have also been explored, but studies are small, so more research will reveal if there is a benefit. Fascinating revelations. Now, for the final act, let's dive into the comforting embrace of cinnamon tea. 11. Cinnamon Tea. Cinnamon tea, the grand finale of our herbal symphony. With its warming aroma and sweet spicy flavor, it's like a hug in a cup. Studies hint at various health benefits, making it a flavorful addition to your wellness routine. Now, let's unravel the studies behind the comforting effects of cinnamon tea. Before we wrap up, a friendly reminder: this video is for educational purposes only. While these teas offer incredible benefits, always consult with a health professional for personalized advice. If you've enjoyed this detailed exploration of herbal teas and the fascinating studies behind them, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more comprehensive guides and step-by-step insights. Your well-being matters, and we're here to guide you. Until next time, thanks for joining our tea expedition.